Everybody, this is Mr. Arts, and today I am going to teach you how to draw Johnny Bravo from the TV show Johnny Bravo. Tools I used for this drawing are an orange pencil, eraser, any graphite pencils, scale, blacking pen for inking afterwards, and a white paper. This is the Johnny Bravo Foco Pop that I made by myself. Now we are going to draw Johnny Bravo. First of all, I am going to find the shape of the head and find the head where it should be. We have to draw a square here, like this. Now we are going to find his neck. Here's the neck, mouth, like this. Okay, the t-shirt, here it is. Now we are going to add the guidelines on his face. We're going to add the center line of the face, very important. Eye line, integrate the ears. Now we're going to shape his hair. This little curvy line here and a long line. Draw a bit curve here and like this. It is here. It's cut. Now we're going to draw a curve here like this. From the hair it will go like this, line like this, and also curve here. Okay, now we're going to draw his shoulder. It is like this. Okay, now we're going to indicate his arm. His arm is like this. Right here, right here. We'll go. Now I'm going to make a rough shape of his hand. Here will go his fingers, like this. Index finger will go there, and the wrist fingers will go there, and the thumb is like this. This is how it looks now. Now I'm going to shape his shoulder, right shoulder, and make a circle here. It should not be big more than this. Okay, this is the shape of the arm. Now we are going to draw the hand here. His hand looks bigger from this angle, so we are going to draw his palm first. His palm is like this, as you can see here. Now we are going to draw fingers. He has only 4 fingers: the pinky finger, the middle finger, and the index finger. His thumb will go like this, and here we have the Johnny Bravo from the breast area. Okay, now I'm going to draw his legs, a rough sketch of his legs. Go like this. He has only small and thin legs. He has small and thin legs. Here we will draw the legs. First I'm going to draw this leg here. Okay, now I'm going to draw folded area, feet. His feet will go like this, and his toes are covered right here. Okay, now I'm going to draw the other leg. I have drawn the first leg. Now it goes right here, the crotch. That was the indication of the crotch. This is the leg which stays on the ground. Sorry about the music back there. I don't live in a separate house. We are in a combined family. I live with my family, so the other house people are watching TV. So I have drawn the basic structure of Johnny Bravo. Now I have drawn the half drawing. Let's draw the second half of the drawing. First of all, I am going to draw his left arm. So let's zoom in it. This is the arm. So draw a line like this. Sorry, first of all we're going to sharpen my pencil more. Now I have sharpened my pencil like this. Now let's draw the arm. Draw a line like this. It will be a bit curvy from this side. Draw a curve here, curvy line, so we can show that he is a muscular character. So now we're going to draw the index finger. Here we have our index finger. Now we're going to draw the thumb. Draw a small line like this and join this line with this. Now we have drawn the thumb, and to draw the now I've drawn the pinky. Now I'm going to draw this arm and hand. Now let's zoom in. Now let's draw his arm, hand first. Draw a line like this. Bring it here. Draw a curved line like this. And add a curved line like this, straight line. This is for the thumb. Here we go like this, straight. Now we are going to draw the index finger. Now index finger is done. Now I'm going to draw the middle finger. I draw the middle finger, and now I'm going to draw the pinky. His hand is done, and this arm is about to circle, I guess, where it goes and showing. Now I have drawn the right arm and hand. His rest of the body. First I'm going to, this rest of the body is not as much. A line like this, refine this line, make it harder. Adding a bit detail. You can add detail if you want. If you don't want to add details, you can, it's up to you. Okay, the fold and the feet. Now I'm going to draw the other leg, the pant fold, now the shoe. I have refined his body. That's how it looks now. Now I'm going to draw his face and neck here. I have zoomed in. Now let's refine the shapes. First of all, I'm going to draw his neck, and the ear is with the neck. Now the hair. The hairline is like here, and the first layer, the second layer, and the third layer. Johnny Bravo's hair is like this. We have drawn the hairline. Now let's refine his face shape and then draw it. And it only has a nose and glasses. First of all, I'm going to draw a line here, curves for the glasses, a bit curves, nose indication, and now the glasses. I have drawn the face, and the neck indication. Now I'm going to draw his one eyebrow. It's like this now. And that's how you can draw Johnny Bravo from the TV show Johnny Bravo. Thanks for watching my video till the end. If you like what you see, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.